What's up, everyone? So today we are here at Dylan's and we are going to put a Sparco steering wheel in the Mustang. He's already
watching a tutorial video.
He's already started taking the steering wheel and stuff apart. We've already disconnected the battery cable before we turn the camera on. So we're going to get this one off and see what the new one looks like.
You got two little pops that you got to pop on each side. And there's an 8mm. Right there, you unscrew them. And then me and you are going to wait till this guy goes to the next step.
Talk us through your process. You're the one doing the work here.
Alright, we took the old 8mm out. And then pull the airbag out. Pop these clips.
You don't want me to do it, or you want to do it? Boom!
Fuck you. I thought you was about to hit me.
Do you know what you're doing?
No. I just don't want to break it.
You don't need an airbag no ways.
You want to do it?
If I need to.
Go ahead and do it.
Do I take the camera? Oh,
fuck you.
Oh, he asked me to do it and then he got it. Don't lose your hardware.
This right?
It's not going to have an airbag in it.
But if you turn the car on and the wires are like this, then it's going to like be all fucky and have a little sign on the dash.
What you want to do next is there is a connector in the back of the steering wheel, this one, and what you need is a small flathead.
I said a small flathead, Dylan.
I think I'm going to do a smaller flathead.
Where's your flatheads at in this thing? Got all this toolbox room, but no tools. Hey.
Hey, where was that at?
Right here. Wasn't in your damn toolbox.
Hey, it looked like somebody's already been replacing the steering wheel. Hold this. Hold the damn flashlight. Right here. Shine it back here. Boom.
Oh, there you go. What about in there?
Oh.
You're gonna fuck something up. You're gonna undo something you're not supposed to undo.
I've already have.
You need to get this piece of shit right here out of the way. I don't know what we gotta do to move that, but it needs to be moved a little bit.
And we will disconnect our electrical
I'll pull it anymore. Just leave it where it's at now.
There's a
Stand on
little
for
teeny
it.
tab here on this electrical connection.
So, let me see the video. He left. He leaves, I figure it out. Okay, so on this body style Mustang, after you pull off the bolts under here and everything, you got 4 T10 torsion screws, the little star head ones. Looks like that. You got 4 of those you got to take off, and then this whole hub assembly, I say what a hub assembly, this whole thing comes off, and there's a little clip right here that you've got to get loose. So I'm going to use a little screwdriver, get in there. It's hard to do with one hand. That was already like that. Shh. You're fine. Tell him. Just look, we already done it.
Why didn't you tell me?
I tried, but you ran off in that direction. We done got this off.
So what do you think about doing now?
Putting this on.
Put it on.
It don't fit.
Alright, so the other day we had the wrong hub. It was an off-brand piece of shit one. So now we got a Momo one that actually fits, and we're putting it on.
Colton, you want to say hey?
But. No.
Yeah. That's over.
Mine does not have
I'm sure that's even hooking up other stuff. Because there's has like a hole right there for stuff.
Where's the hardware? Hardware.
Hardware.
Yeah.
For what? Oh, hold on, it's over here. You don't want to. You don't want these wires?
I don't have anything to. So, two of those.
Ah, you don't need them. Whatever they are. Let's see this for a second. Thing is soft. Not really. I mean, it's kind of soft. Like compared to like the stock one. Like this thing's soft, but like
I don't think that screws right.
it's comfortable. Oh, it's pretty. There's the big thing that he wanted right there. He's been wanting one for the longest. Okay.
I didn't know what that thing was sticking out. Yeah, probably that's for that one.
Y'all figured that out yet?
I think that's damn steering wheel. You scratched it up.
I ain't scratching nothing up. Go on somewhere. And you can't move your seats forward and backwards neither. Because they don't work. Well, right now they don't work because the battery's not connected, but it just doesn't work at all.
So it just stays in one spot?
Yeah. Once we had to hook jumper cables up to the battery and then run it to the cables underneath the seat just to get it to move and in place where it needed to be. It's really not that bad.
I just put that up. Will you bring me the 8?
Oh no! Don't hook it up yet. The airbag might deploy.
I took you fucking serious, bitch. I was trying to pull it off. Bitch. I can't fucking see my gauges.
You can't see your gauges.
Lift the steering wheel up.
Just gotta make sure everything works.
Like it's tight.
Well, you like it more or less than the original?
I like it more because it says Sparco.
Well, that's going to do it for this episode. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. And until next time, be great.